Good morning, folks. 9:50 a.m., 6th day, 4th month, 18th year. I'm going to have a look at Iris here, off the coast of Queensland. Look at this is the center of circulation here. As they're starting to work it back north, they have actually turned this storm around. For all intents and purposes, this storm should have gone this way and out with these currents over here toward the islands of Vanuatu and that. But it is not doing that. As I zoom in here, one of the first things I notice is this kind of square form to this haze. This is that shear they're talking about, where they actually pull the moisture off the top of this storm and they're sending it toward New Zealand. Like that. Yeah? Yeah, but you can still see this. This is the circulation itself. So all they did was strip that moisture cloud off the top. And they're keeping this square form turning. And they're going to move this back up the coast. There's really not much more to it. It'll wobble a bit, but it's got to come in and come up this way. It's all fed, it looks like, to go up toward Cairns and the Great Barrier Reef. This is the image from April 6th. Isn't this horrendous? Like I said, I'm trying a new capture program today. I hope the quality is better, and I hope that you can hear me all right. I'm going to replace this mic at some point, but not today. Today I'm just going to show the gelt, and today we're serving popcorn with our microwave drama here over the top of us. Isn't this horrendous here? That this crap off the coast here, up at the peninsula, where they're going to bring this storm again. I say they draw these. You look at these convective lines. I don't know. They're curving around each other, aren't they? They're kind of on a radar would look like a circulation. However, when I zoom in, these little green dots, these are the Great Barrier Reefs, folks. This is a living organism, and it's being poisoned by these toxins, and we cannot remain silent while creatures that don't speak out loud on the media are being killed. We just cannot, and I never will. You know, welcome to geoengineering, killing your reef right before your eyes, and then things telling you why is it doing it. That is not the exact cause. You know, is this taken into account? You know, does anybody say, gee, is geoengineering killing the reef at all? You know, we look at all sorts of things that do it, but can they take this toxic rain and fallout into effect, please? Can they take the runoff from these storms when they flood it around here that just goes straight out into the ocean over these reefs? Can they please take them toxins into account when they're telling you the lies about the reef dying? It's a lot more of it dead than they're telling you. A lot more. Look at this square form here. I want to go to a moving image now. It's kind of telltale here. This is the stripping off of the moisture. As I zoom in here, you get a really good shot under here, down in the low ocean layer here, below where this one's streaming in. You'll see the circulation itself still turning. You'll see the moisture itself. With that squarish form here, you know, that angle's heading toward New Zealand. No, it isn't heading toward New Zealand. That's my mistake. It's not. The moisture's just heading in this stream. But this here now is free to move upward, encapsulate, excuse me for moving around, the rest of this stuff and begin this swinging up. And she's going to come back up the coast. But I said that the other day. That's what pressures work. That's just how it happens. Speed this up. This is a bit boring. This is your microwave planet happening in front of you. Look at this out west here. Zzz, frying you. Absolutely frying you. The bite. Big plume of crap here. But this is all nucleating plasma. This chem is already floating in the air. It just needs the energy to nucleate it. The temperature difference of the particle, whatever that they do with the energy, will help condensate as well. Hot, meat, and cold, moist always condensates. That's how contrails work. So contrails should be going away very quickly, within a minute. They should never show up on a satellite image that's a still image, ever, because they should have dissipated. So when you see a big long one, you know it's a chemtrail. You know, that's just basic. I wanted to show you this because somebody was asking how they're doing this. You can just about see a haze here coming through of the shock wave of an EMF pulse that's helping to strip this moisture off. What? This little haze through here. So if you want to look at the SatView BOM.gov.au, and there's my the things I got ticked. So you can have a good look at this, and monitor this, and you can see the plumes. Plume, 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 all coming up at once, keeping moisture into this system. Why? Because they're controlling our weather. They're owning it. Look at these deployments right through here. Watch these sudden ones. See them? Slow them down. Right through here. Yeah? Let's just, come on. It's not a naturally occurring cloud formation. It's something is deploying right here. Right here. Chem bombs suck. I keep telling you all that. Plumes, plumes. There ain't no factories under here. I doubt it's a ship. So something's pluming. Something is making condensate. Something is allowing cloud formation through the catalytic chemicals inside these things. There's no other way to put it. It's just, that's what it is. I've been saying it for years. I read what they propose, and I look at the skies and see that what they propose are actually testing. Because you don't propose something that's going to make you look like a horse's ass when it don't work. You know, they love to squander government money, but people that want continued grants have to have some kind of result. So they know. They know they've been testing us. They know that these streamers heading toward you all are sickness mix, and you're going to be breathing it. They know that this is descending on the reef, but if it's dead, wouldn't it be easier to carve a passage through there to bring the coal out to the rest of the world, to create more acid rain? You know, look, where's this all going to stop? When are we going to put the big picture together? Because the big picture over here says, oh my God. The big picture over here says, oh my God. You know, that's the big picture. Look at this crap in the center of the storm. Shall we look right in its eye? Is this a perfectly round vortex? You know, where's the exact center here? Why is this coming like that at a 90-degree angle? I'll tell you why. Geoengineering, how you fold with high pressure outflows. You just keep folding the storm over. It's not a naturally occurring low where everything funnels nicely into it. It just isn't. Just not. This is man-made, and it's disastrous, and it's got to stop. And it will not be unspoken about by me. It just won't. I mean, really. What else can you say? Because that's what we're in a microwave right now. We are having plasmas created in our heads by the metals that from the vaccines that we get that are designed to breach our barriers of our brains, I think, because that seems to be where they're all settling. And the autisms are well on the rise, and the Alzheimer's on the rise, and the link to the aluminum toxicity is great. And remember, when you put something in the microwave and you see those sparks coming off it, that's actually the waves stripping electrons off the metal, and that's what you're seeing. And that's happening in your head. And you put your phone up next to it for sure. You know, if you're going to use a phone, please use some kind of a non-powered corded device for listening and microphoning, because it's going to be your safest option. Look at this square in here. Come on. Geoengineering. Another square. Squares inside squares. EMF, electromagnetic perturbation of our atmosphere. Look at the microwave popcorn clouds here. Off your coast. Australia, off Brisbane. Is your ears ringing? You feeling sick? How your pets acting? How do you feel? I imagine you don't feel very good. I imagine you feel a bit depressed. I imagine you feel anxious. Because this will make you feel that way. Look at the circular outflow of this. How something has pulsed and created an area of perturbation. That nucleates these, what they called cloud streets. I just call it geoengineered madness, EMF, interference patterns showing right here. Microwave planet, plasma physics. Going on over the top, you sit. What's up with this square over Sydney? We're looking geoengineering square in the eye here, folks. This is geoengineering. Okay, I'm going to cut this short now. I'm going to do a quick experiment about this to see the clarity of image. And I just can't help it. I just did a quick forecast and wanted to have a good test drive of this program and see how quick it uploads. See those streamers there north of y'all? This is square off your coast here in the bite. See the electromagnetic frequency lines in this? See? See the particulates that are designed and sprayed to react predictably to frequency that you see in here. When you zoom back, there's a mighty square edge to this. And I'm going to kind of just leave you with that. What else can you say? But this has got to stop. This is our planet here. And I love it. I love my planet. And I love it enough to do something about it. Big love. Peace.